Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajullah Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about gases. This is the chapter 12 of Zumtal book. So what is the properties of gases? Properties number 1, expand to completely fill their container. Second, take the shape of their container. Third properties of gas is low density, much less than solid or liquid state. Fourth one is compressible. Fifth, mixture of gases are always homogeneous. And last, fluids. So what is gas pressure? So first define the pressure. Pressure is equal to total force applied to a certain area. Total force applied to a certain area. I repeat, total force applied to a certain area. Remember, area. Large force area, larger pressure. A small area, larger pressure. Next, gas pressure caused by gas molecules colliding with the container or surface. More forceful collisions or more frequent collisions mean higher gas pressure. So, what is air pressure? Constantly present when air present. Decrease with altitudes. Less air. Varies with the weather conditions. Measured using a barometer. Column of mercury supported by air pressure. Longer mercury column supported higher pressure. Force of air on the surface of mercury balanced by the pull of gravity on the column of mercury. Look at this picture. Height from here to here 760 millimeter. Empty space, this a vacuum. Mercury, weight of the mercury in the column, weight of the atmosphere, atmospheric pressure. So when a glass tube is filled with mercury, this is glass tube filled with mercury, and inverted in a dish, this is mouth, so inverted, this is the bottom of mercury at sea level. The mercury flows out of the tube until a column approximately 760 height remains. So if it is follow, if it is reached to this, and then it stop flowing, so 760 millimeter. So measuring pressure of a trapped gas, how you measure? Use a manometer, open end manometer. If gas end lower than open end, pressure gas, pressure of air plus difference in height of mercury. If gas end higher than open end, pressure of gas is equal to pressure air minus difference in height of mercury. Look at this picture, a device called a manometer. This is the manometer. Very important device for measuring pressure, for measuring the pressure of gas in a container. So this is the gas pressure less than atmospheric pressure. So this is the height, this is mercury, and you have atmospheric pressure from here. Now gas pressure greater than atmospheric pressure. So you see atmospheric pressure, this height Hd. So if it is this, then it will move like that. Atmospheric pressure is greater, gas pressure is less. Here gas pressure is greater, atmospheric pressure is less. So unit of gas pressure, atmosphere atm, height of column of mercury mmHg in mercury, torr, T O R R, torr, remember double R, Pascal PA, pounds per square inch, pound per square inch PSI. 1000 atm 760.0 mmHg, 29.92 in mercury, 760.0 torr, 101,325 pascal, 101,325.325 kilopascal, and 40.69 psi, pound per square inch. So what is Boyle's law? Pressure is inversely proportional to volume. I repeat, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Constant temperature and amount of gas. Graph pressure versus volume is curve. Graph pressure versus 1 by V is a state. This is important. Versus V is curve, and P versus pressure versus 1 by volume is a straight line. As speed increases, V decreases by the same factor. So P multiplied by V is constant, and P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So this is the table. A sample of Boyle's observations, moles of gas and temperature both constant. Experiment 1 to 7. Pressure in Hg increases, volume decreases, and pressure into volume, you see, almost constant. So three significant figures are allowed in the product because both of numbers that are multiplied together have three significant figures. Example: what is new volume of a 1.5 liter sample of Freon 12 at 56 torr is compressed to 150 torr? So first you write it down the information, write down the given amount, P1 56 torr, P2 150 torr, volume 1.5 liter, volume 2 we don't know. Convert values of like quantities to the same unit. Both pressure already in torr. Value of V2 will come out in liter because it is in liter. So choose the correct gas law. Since we are looking at the relationship between the pressure and volume, we use Boyle's law. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Solve the equation for the unknown variable. P1 into V1 is equal to P2 into V2. P1 P2 into V1 is equal to P2. So plug in the known values and calculate the unknown. P1 56, P2 this, V1 this value, V2. So P1 divided by P2 multiplied by V1, you calculate the P2. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel